Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know about operator precedence in Excel. That is, I will let you know in what order Excel applies operators in making arithmetic calculations. So for that, I have entered four numbers here in column H, and I want to carry some arithmetic operations on these numbers. And for that, I first add equal sign in order to create the formula mode of the app, and then I enter H9, that is the entry in H9 cell, minus H6, the entry in 6th cell, this one, and then I multiply this with the entry in H8, that is this one cell. I hit the enter and I get an answer 1. I will explain how do we get this. Then I do another calculation on the sign values of the cells, but this time I add parentheses. I put again H9 minus H6, and then I close the parenthesis and I multiply this with H8, and again I had enter. So this time I get 9 from the same values of the cells. Let us understand this, because this happens because of the operator precedence of the order the Excel applies operators. In this cell, the Excel first applies the multiplication operator and then the subtraction operator. That is, the operator precedence in this case is higher for multiplication. So what the Excel does, Excel first multiplies the value in cell H6, that is 1, with the value in cell H8, which is 3. And then the result, which is 3, is subtracted from the value in H9. So 4 minus 3 is then 1. That's why we get 1. On the other hand, over here in this cell, the precedence operator is parenthesis. That is, the Excel first makes calculation within the parentheses or carry on operators within the parentheses, and then it applies the operator subsequently after the parenthesis is calculated. So what the Excel does in this case, it first calculate the effect of this operator, that is of minus operator within the parentheses. So 4 minus 1 is 3, and then multiplying the result with the entry in H8, which is 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So in order to carry arithmetic operation, you first need to keep in mind the operator precedence. So Excel first makes calculation within the brackets, and the precedence is higher for exponentiation. That is, Excel first carries the operation of exponentiations, then the operation of multiplication in division, and then the operation of subtraction in addition. So this is the order of the application of operators in Excel. And thanks for watching Safi Mixed.